Divestment of state assets, which will facilitate increased investments. A good thing for Jamaica, said Prime Minister Andrew Holness on May 19, 2017. Following which, on October 24th of the same year, the International Monetary Fund urged the government to speed up its efforts to divest underutilized assets as part of the structural reforms to support a dynamic private sector that creates jobs, as if respective governments have needed any encouragement at all to do just that.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Divestment of assets is not a bad thing for Jamaicans if it is done correctly. If you find the right partners and if you have the right framework in place, Jamaicans benefit. These are assets that we would not be able ourselves to utilize because of the fiscal constraints that exist. So those assets get to be utilized, and in the utilization of those assets, Jamaicans get employed, said Holness. The stark reality facing Jamaica, though, is anything and everything that can be sold by the government, it would seem, is up for sale. It would prove challenging to refute such claims. A fire sale of the country's assets is clearly on, and foreigners have been buying in no uncertain manner. Our bauxite industry has Russians as its principals, while the Chinese and Japanese have more than a toehold in our sugar and coffee industries respectively. The Spanish, not to be outdone, have snapped up some hotels, and the French are eating our food, courtesy of toll roads, like the Chinese via check. Who remember the Chinese being gifted prime real estate in Senton as part payment for a highway construction? Please do not discount Trinidad. By the way, they have impacted our construction sector by virtue of acquiring the cement company. Don't even get me started on Air Jamaica, the Jamaica Public Service Company, Kingston Container Terminal, Wigton Wind Farm, Separate Limited, Factories Corporation of Jamaica, Ethanol Jamaica, Things Jamaica Limited, the Victoria Pier, Caymanas Park, or Petrojam for that matter. Now, with all the bright and experienced people in government, plus the plethora of consultants floating around like millstones about the necks of Jamaican taxpayers, one would have thought innovative, workable ideas would be a dime a dozen. Unfortunately, that is not the case. To my simple thinking, the ideal to strive for would be to maintain ownership of our assets, acquire more, and ensure that they turn a profit, while providing badly needed employment for Jamaicans. In other words, a win-win-win situation for Team Jamaica. When these assets are sold to foreign interests, they get them to operate profitably. So why is it so difficult for a government to do likewise? Just compare the then National Lottery in the hands of the state to the greater success that the lottery has become in the private hands of Supreme Ventures Limited. I see now where moves are afoot to dispose of two of the country's mineral baths, Milk River in Clarendon and Bath in St. Thomas, as well as the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, among other assets. What I find quite disturbing about all of this is that there seem to be no dissenting voices. There's this great commotion about foreign direct investment, but conveniently no one bothers to mention the greater outflows at the end of the day when the people convert the funds to their country's currency and send it home. Granted, the National Housing Trust is far from perfect, but at the very least, its performance is an example of what is possible should we exercise a show of vision and nationalism. What is currently taking place here in Jamaica would be hilarious if it weren't so tragic. It reminds me of Africans selling fellow Africans to slave traders back in the day. Well, that is just my opinion anyways.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.